Welcome to Exams Daily. BECIL recruitment for 2020 has released. In this video, I'm going to share you details regarding this. BECIL, Broadcast Engineering Consultants India Limited, has invited application for recruitment process, and it is purely a contract basis, and it is for development in Office of All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhopal, and it is a non-faculty Group C post at AIIMS, Bhopal. So at first they had released post of sanitary inspector grade 2. Total number of vacancies are 18, age limit is 18 to 25. And for that you want to complete 10 plus 2 from recognized board, and then health sanitary inspector course, 1 year course. So you must have not less than 2 years of experience in the line in a 500 bedded hospital. And then reservation roster, they had given category wise reservation details. I'm just giving link in description box. Go through that and check for your category wise reservation details. And consolidated fee per month is 29,200 for this post. And the next post is a manifold technician gas steward. Total number of vacancies are 8. Age limit is 25 to 35 years. And for this also, you need 7 years experience in medical gas pipeline system in 200 bedded government hospital. And then pay scale is 29,200 rupees. And the next post is cashier, 13 vacancies. Age limit is in between 21 to 30 years. For that, you want to complete a degree in commerce, and you need at least years experience of handling accounts work of government organization. And then you need proficiency in computer application. And then pay scale is 25,500 rupees. And then next post is electrician. Vacancies are 6, and your age limit not exceeding 35 years. And educational qualification you need is 10 class plus ITI diploma certificate in electrician trade, and then electrical supervisory certificate of competency. And then you need practical experience of 5 years in erection and running maintenance of different types of HT and LT electrical installations. And then pay scale is 25,500 rupees. And the next post is stenographer. Vacancies are 34. Age limit is 18 to 27 years. And further, you want to complete 12th standard and the matriculation or equivalent qualification, and with 5 years service, regular or ad hoc as stenographer in government organization. And that you need to do a skill test norms dictation of 10 minutes at 80 words per minute, and then transcription of 50 minutes English and 65 minutes for Hindi only on computers. And then pay scale for this is 25,500 rupees. And the next post is assistant laundry supervisor. Total number of vacancies are 4, and your age limit is in between 18 to 30 years. Further, you want to complete 12 pass and then degree by diploma certificate in dry cleaning laundry technology, and then 2 years experience in a reputed mechanized. And then pay scale is 25,500 rupees. And the next post is security fire jamadar. Vacancies at 21, age limit is 18 to 30 years. For that, you want to complete in plus 2 years, and then ex-serviceman who have excellent record can apply for this. And they had given some physical standard for this, and I'm just giving link. You can go through that and check for physical standards. And then pay scale for this is 25,500 rupees. And the next post is modeler artist. Vacancies are 14, and age limit you must be in between 21 to 35 years. For that, you need a diploma based certificate in fine arts, commercial arts, modeling from a recognized university with 2 years experience in illustration and modeling in consent department. And then you need matriculation equivalent with 5 years experience in consent department of medical college, and a degree in graphic design, preferably qualification in education, media and communication. Pay scale is 29,200 rupees. And the next page is junior scale steno for Hindi. Vacancies are 21, age limit is in between 21 to 30 years. And then desirable, you need excellent command over Hindi written and spoken. And pay scale is 25,500 rupees. And the next post is junior warden housekeepers. Total number of vacancies are 10. You must in between 30 to 45 years. For that, you need 2 years experience as junior warden or equivalent in any college. And then pay scale is 19,900 rupees. And the next post is operated E&MI lift operator. Total number of vacancies are 21. Age limit is in between 18 to 30 years. And then minimum qualification for need for this is a relevant ITI or diploma course for required post, plus 10 plus is mandatory for every post. And then age limit is varied for a different post, and then pay scale is also varied for 1 or 2 posts. And then for junior warden, pay scale is 19,900 rupees. And then operator ENI lift operator is also 19,900 rupees. And the next post is plumber. 15 vacancies, pay scale is 19,900. And then wireman post, total number of vacancies are 20, and then pay scale is 19,900 rupees. And the next post is upper division clerk. Total number of vacancies are 2. And then social worker, total number of vacancies are 2. And then gas pump mechanic, total number of vacancies are 2. And then library attendant grade 2. Total number of vacancies are 3. And then storekeeper come clerk 85 vacancies. And then lower division clerk 37 vacancies. For storekeeper come clerk, age limit is up to 30 years. For that, you want to need 1 year's experience in handling stores. And then for lower division clerk, you need matriculation or equivalent certificate, a typing speed of 35 words per minute in English and 30 words per minute in Hindi only, and computers only you need it. Pay scale for all those posts is 19,900 to 25,500 rupees. And the next post is direction hall attendant. Total number of vacancies are 8. Pay scale is 19,900. And then minimum qualification needed for this 10th standard. Plus experience is also needed. And then mechanic, air conditioning and refrigeration. Total number of vacancies are 6. Pay scale is 19,900 rupees. And the next post is lineman, electrical, manifold room attendant, driver, ordinary grade. Lineman 2 vacancies, manifold room 1 vacancies, and then driver grade 16 vacancies. All those posts pay scale is 9,900 rupees. And the next post is tailor grade 3. Total number of vacancies are 2. And then data entry operator 1. And then office stores assistant multitasking 40 vacancies. For this, you want to complete in standard, and then pay scale is 18,000. And then hospital attendant grade 3 nursing orderly. Total number of vacancies are 106. You must be in between 18 to 30 years. For that, you want to complete matriculation and then degree certificate course in hospital service, which is conducted by recognized organizations such as St. John's Ambulance. And then desirable experience of having worked in a hospital. And then pay scale is 18,000. And then next is non-faculty group B post at AIMS Bhopal. That first post is public health nurse. Total number of vacancies are 1. Pay scale is 47,600 rupees. And the next post is assistant admin officer. Total number of vacancies are 4. And then consultant fee is 44,900 rupees. And the next assistant engineer ANC and R. Total number of vacancies are 1. And then assistant engineer civil vacancies are 1. You need to complete your graduate degree in engineering in your respected field. Further pay scales are 44,900 rupees. And the next post is assistant store officer. Total number of vacancies are 4. And then you will get a pay scale of 44,900 rupees. And then dietitian, total number of vacancies are 4. And then 44,900 is a pay scale. And then legal assistant, total number of vacancies are 1. And then librarian group 1 document list, total number of vacancies are 2. And then manager, supervisor, gas officer, and you will get a pay scale of rupees 44,900 for every post. And then next post is medical social service officer group 1, and then medical social worker. Total number of vacancies are 5 plus 1 6. And then PACS administrator, total number of vacancies are 1. And then private secretary PS, total number of vacancies are 10. And then technical officer total number of vacancies are 12. For that, all those posts you will get a pay scale 44,900 rupees. And then for transport supervisor, total number of vacancies is 1. And then warden, hostel warden 4 vacancies. And then assistant secretary officer 1 vacancy. You will get a pay scale of 35,400 to 44,900 rupees. And the next post is audiologist, junior reception officer, and then junior accounts officer, and then junior Hindi translator. Total number of vacancies are 8. And then pay scale, you will get a pay scale of 35,400 rupees. And the next post is laundry manager, librarian group 3, and then medical record officer, and then multiple rehabilitation worker, physiotherapist, and then occupational therapist. A total number of vacancies are 12. You will get a pay scale of 35,400 rupees. And then for that, you need a degree and in your respected field. And then post is office assistant TNS, total number of vacancies are 58. And then office superintendent, total number of vacancies are 2. And then personal assistant PA, 13 vacancies. And then psychiatric social worker 3 vacancies. And then radiographic technical grade 4 vacancies, storekeeper 14 vacancies, speech pathologist 1 vacancy. Pay scale, you will get 35,400 rupees. And at last, technical assistant by technician 81 vacancies. And then 35,400 is pay scale. You need a degree in your respected field, and I'm just giving official notification in the description box. You can go through that and you can check for your respected field and then your needed qualification. Totally, they had announced about 34 posts, and then selection will be made as per prescribed non-segment of the job. And then they had given all vacancies are provisional and are subject to increase or decrease. This is not mandatory, it is a tentative only. and then you can apply for more than one post subject to eligibility, but application money for each is required to deposit it separately. And then you have to pass through each stage successfully, including medical examination if applicable. And then computer based test will be consist of one paper which is held on the same day in same center, and paper will one consist of multiple choice objective type questions. It is in bilingual Hindi by English, and then it is a total of 90 questions are there, each carrying equal marks, and then paper shall be 90 minutes duration. Age relaxation is also as per government norms, and then age relaxation for contractual employees, those who are working in AIMS Bhopal, they had given that. I'm just giving this link, you can go through that and you can check for that. An application fee for you unreserved and OBC candidates, it is 830 rupees, and for SC, ST, PWD candidates, it is 600 rupees. You want to pay fee net banking only, it is not refundable. And then how to apply for this? For this, you want to go to official website www.becil.com. In the career section only, you can click and apply for that. Before applying, you are advised to keep your photo and signature scanned images, and file size must be 100 KB, and for that you are required your personal email address and then your mobile number. And I will show you next notification which is released by BECIL. And this is the next notification which is released by BECIL, and this is for All India Institute of Medical Sciences. At first the designation they had given program assistant, and then for that you need graduate. Total number of vacancies 1, and then data entry operator 10+2 you need, and then 3 vacancies. Lower division clerk 10+2 you need, and plus 2 vacancies, and then office assistant MTS. For that you want to complete 8 to 10 standard, and then 3 vacancies, and then lab attendant 10+2 needed, 3 vacancies, and then anatomy dissection hall attendant, lab attendant, you need 10+2, and then 2 vacancies, and then laboratory assistant, for that you need BSc MLT completion, and then 4 vacancies for this, and then junior warden, for that you need 10+2, 2 male vacancies, and then 2 female vacancies. And then pay scale for this starts from 17,500 to 19,032 rupees. And then for any technical problems faced while applying on online, you can they had given mail address, you can go through that and you can get a solution for that. And then how to apply are same that we had seen before application. So online payment things which is given in before application is given in this application too. So I'm just giving official notification, these 2 application notification in description box. Go through that and you can check for your eligibility criteria for that. And I hope this video is useful for you. Do follow our channel for more and more updated videos. Thanks for watching.